Good afternoon, children. Let us start our math session. So, in smaller class, you have learnt many properties, right? Addition property, subtraction property, multiplication property, division property, all those things. Now, in this class, we are going to learn a properties of set operation. Properties of set operations. Properties of set operations. Clear, children? So, properties of set operation. Okay. So, before entering into the properties, I am going to show you some practical work. Then, afterwards, we will go to subject concepts. Okay, clear, children? Okay. First, you just see what is this? So, I draw here one Venn diagram. This is A set and this is B set. I am using here only two set, right? I am using here only two sets. One is A set, another one is B set. So, see here both the sets, I shaded A set fully and B set fully because this is A union B. A union B means combined together. We have to shade fully. A set and B set we have to shade fully. Okay, children. So, A union B like this. See here, example A equal to 1, 2 I taken here, B equal to 3, 4 I taken here. A union B means you should combine and write. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You just keep here. Okay. Now next, this is the same I taken here also the two sets, right? Here also B set I taken, here also A. But order is changed. Here also I am taking two sets, here also I am taking two sets, but order is changed. Because first I taken here A set, here B set. Here you just see I taken here B set first and A set second. But answer is, shape is, see the shapes. Both the shapes are same. I shaded both the A union B and B union A, both the same shaded part, right? Here also same part, here also same part. Clear? இங்கேயும் நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன் சேமாக A union B க்கு அந்த சர்க்கிளை ஃபுல்லாக ஷேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். Here also I shaded fully, right? So see the answer also, both the answers. First I taken here 1, 2, B equal to 3, 4. So I joined and I wrote here because A union means what ma? We should write combined 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you see, here I taken first B set. So B set what is the value? 3, 4. A set 1, 2. B union A also we should arrange it and write. Okay. Arrange பண்ணி எழுதணும். Orderல எழுதணும். Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Both the answers are same or not? Yes. Both the answers are same. So A union B is nothing but B union A. Good. A union B is equal to B union A. Okay. Don't forget this. I will after completing intersection also, I will say the name of this property. Clear, children? A union B equal to B union A. Good. Next I am going to show you intersection part. First see here, how many sets I taken here? Two sets. Good. So one is A set, another one is B set. One is A set, another one is B set. Intersection means what ma? We should shade the common part. So A க்கும் B க்கும் என்ன common part இருக்கோ அதை மட்டும் நம்ம shade பண்ணோம். That is the intersection. Clear, children? So here this is intersection part. So while we are taking two sets, we should use that union also. That means it is a universal set. That's not a union, it is a universal set. எப்பவுமே நம்ம ரெண்டு செட் வரையும் பொழுது ஒரு பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி போட்டு உள்ள சர்க்கிள் போட்டுட்டு தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? We have to shade. Okay, clear, children? For two sets we need to follow these steps. Clear? Intersection means we should shade the common part. And see the example here. I taken here A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 2, 3. Which one is common here? Both the sets. 2 is common. Clear, children? Yes, 2 is common. Okay. Now we will see B intersection A. B intersection A. Yes. Here also I taken the two sets only I taken, but order only changed. Here first you see what set this is. What is the name of the set? First set A. Here B. Here you see this one is B. First I taken B set and second one I taken A set. But common part we cannot change because B two set means common part is same only. சரியா? ரெண்டு செட் எடுக்கும்பொழுது எப்பவுமே காமன் பார்ட் மாறாது. A intersection B நாலும் B intersection A நாலும் common part வந்து சென்டராக இருக்கிற common part only we should shade. Clear, children? Now I will show the example. See here. See A equal to 1 2, B equal to 2 3. Okay, here common part is 2. Now I change the order. First I taken here B 2 3, A equal to 1 2. So which is common here? 2. So both the answers are equal. Yes, both the answers are equal. So here you see A intersection B is equal to what ma? B intersection A. Yes. First we saw A union B equal to B union A. Next we saw A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Order changed also. The set of the order changed also. Answer is same only. Answer is same. Set வந்து A, B, B, A மாறினாலும் answer same தான் கிடைக்கும். Okay, clear? This property is called commutative property. Today we are going to see first commutative property. Okay? Yes, let us start. Okay, so commutative property. What is the property name ma? Commutative property. Commutative property. Yes. For any two sets, here I taken A, B, right? Here I taken any two sets. That means here I am going to take A and B. A and B. What I explained the first one? A union B is nothing but A union B is nothing but B union A. Good. This is first property. Commutative property la first one idudha. A union B equal to B union A. If suppose they are asking you to write a union of commutative property means you should write this. A union B equal to B union A. நீங்க commutative property எழுதுனா இதை நீங்க எழுத கத்துக்கணும். Okay, you should learn this. Clear? Second one, A intersection B equal to what ma? A intersection B equal to B intersection A. B intersection A. Okay. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Next one. Clear children? This one clear? Clear? The two examples I taught you in by showing the examples. Clear this one? Now we are going to see another property. What is that? That is associative property. That is associative property. Associative property. Clear children? First I taught you commutative property for any two sets. We are using two sets A and B. Both the sides are same only. A union B is nothing but B union A. A intersection B is nothing but B intersection A. Now we are going to see associative property. Clear? Here associative property means we should use here three sets. Now I am going to show you Venn diagram. See here. See ma. First see A union. How we need to read this? This is the first property of associative. Okay, this is the first and second property is also there, that is intersection. Clear children? So first you learn this. A union B union C. A union, you should stop here, B union C equal to A union B union C. See, in both the sides I used A, B, C. A, B, C. All the sides I used union only. Okay, union only I used, but bracket is different. First we should start from last B union C. The two sets we should put bracket, and here first two set we should put bracket. Bracket only it will change. Okay, so bracket எப்படி நம்ம போடுறோம்ன்றத மட்டும் இதில் நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. மற்றபடி எல்லாமே ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். A union B union C equal to A union B union C. ஸோ இதில் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், B union Cக்கு ஷேட் பண்ணிடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு என்ன சேர்த்துக்கணும், ஏவோட சேர்த்துக்கணும். ஏவை ஷேட் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி கிடைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு வென் டயக்ராம். நெக்ஸ்ட் இப்போ A யூனியன் Bயை ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஷேட் பண்ணோன்னா என்ன பண்ணோம், A சர்க்கிளையும் B சர்க்கிளையும் மட்டும் ஷேட் பண்ணோம். C சர்க்கிளை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது, we no need to touch this. And finally we should shade C also. So Cயும் ஷேட் பண்ணும் போது எந்த மாதிரி வரும், you will get this. Okay, you will get this shape. Both the sides are equal you will get. Clear children? Clear this one? Like this only. Intersection also, A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So I'll show that. See here. மூணு செட்டு எடுக்கும் பொழுது எப்பவுமே வந்து வெறும் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், சர்க்கிள் மட்டும்தான் வரையணும். no need to draw that box, no need to put here யூனிவர்சல் செட். யூனிவர்சல் செட்டு இதுக்கு வராது. கிளியர்? 3 செட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது, அசோசியேட்டிவ் யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது no need to put here யூனியன் ஓகே யூனிவர்சல் செட் இங்கே போடக்கூடாது ஓகே அந்த பாக்ஸும் போடக்கூடாது 2 செட் போடும்போது தான் அந்த பாக்ஸ் போடணும் கிளியர் சில்ட்ரன் ஓகே கிளியர் எஸ் ஹியர் பி இன்டர்செக்ஷன் சி ஏ இன்டர்செக்ஷன் பி இன்டர்செக்ஷன் சினா இது பி இன்டர்செக்ஷன் சிக்கு ஃபுல்லாக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் ஷேட் பண்ணணும் பிக்கும் சிக்கும் உள்ளது அப்புறம் ஃபைனலாக இந்த மூணுத்துக்கும் உள்ளதுன்னா இந்த மூணுத்துக்குமே காமனாக இருக்கிறது இந்த பார்ட் தானே திஸ் ஓன்லி வி ஷுட் ஷேட் clear children this is associative property so no need to draw all those things learn only that property learn that only properties for any three sets a comma b comma c okay a comma b comma c first one a union B union C equal to A union B union C. First property. Second property is A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So these two properties is very important. This is commutative property and these two properties is very important. This is associative property. 2 sets you are using that is commutative property. 3 sets are you are using that is associative property. Don't forget this. We will see next video exercise sums. Thank you children.